Last year, we barely got in the St. Pat celebration. As most people know, it was raining cats and dogs. So this year, we wanted to welcome 2021 with the same celebration that we closed 2020 with. On a normal year, we have a parade, and once the parade is over, we have encouraged people to go and shop the local businesses. So we do know that it does have an impact, and I would like to think that people will come out, enjoy the day, still visit the downtown businesses, and also come out here for a good time. This event is about bringing the community together with the downtown businesses.
It started probably about 6 years ago, and it's kind of slowly grown from there. 2019 was about our peak, had a really big festival that year, and then last year was kind of the beginning of COVID, and it rained, so a lot of things got canceled. This is a pretty big deal just because it's like the first thing of spring. It's the first event we have, the gateway to springtime, summertime. We have a lot of things that go on over the summer, in the fall certainly. I mean, we're not as big as the Apple Festival by any means, but it's kind of the thing that people look forward to get us out of winter. It's the first thing that happens when winter's finally over.
So behind us we have the tricycle race, which you guys saw. That actually is to benefit the Murphysboro Food Pantry, and that we ask that people come out, bring 3 cans of non-perishable food items for a ride, or $1 to also do a couple laps. But that's the biggest thing. We reached out to the Murphysboro Food Pantry and found out that they needed help. They have an annual drive every April and March and April, and a lot of time this is when their donations are low. And so we reached out, thought we could help, and this year they're trying to exceed their donations of last year, which was $60,000 in monetary and food pound donations.
This is my 4th year doing it, so last year I won after 2 previous years competing, and I just enjoy doing it so much that here I am again. Well, it's something fun to do in the spring, you know, when hopefully the cold weather is gone and we're starting to have some nice weather, which today we have beautiful weather. And I just enjoy being out here and the camaraderie of being with the other teams and cooking and just enjoying the fresh air, maybe a little drinking on the side, you know. That's my champion belt from last year being the winner, so it just has our name on it. It gets displayed here at Brews Brothers year-round, and pretty proud of it.